Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of AI Chatbot Nova. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Chatbot AI Nova. And you will click here in this page. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us